Have you ever looked at ClickUp and thought, this is great for tasks and projects, but can I actually use it to store and manage data like a traditional database? Well, that's the question we're diving into today. Let's face it, ClickUp has become a popular choice for project management, task tracking, and even goal setting. But is it capable of handling the rigorous demands of a database? Can it replace your trusty spreadsheets or dedicated database software? That's what we're about to uncover. First off, let's clarify what we mean by a database. We're talking about structured information, typically organized in tables with rows and columns. Think customer data, product inventories, financial records, or even research data. This is different from simply storing notes or to-do lists within ClickUp. Now, ClickUp does offer some database-like features. You can create custom fields within tasks or lists, which can hold different types of data like text, numbers, dates, or even dropdowns. You can also create views to filter and sort this data, giving you a glimpse of database-like functionality. But let's be honest, this isn't a full-fledged database. While it's handy for tracking small datasets related to your projects, it falls short when you're dealing with large volumes of data or complex relationships between data points. So, can you create a database in ClickUp? Technically, no, not in the traditional sense. But can you use ClickUp to manage some database-like tasks? Absolutely. It's a great tool for small-scale data management within the context of your projects. However, if you're dealing with substantial amounts of data, complex queries, or the need to share data with multiple users, you'll probably want to consider a dedicated database solution. ClickUp is better suited for managing tasks and projects that are closely tied to your data, rather than being the primary storage and management hub for your data. Let's talk about some alternatives. If you need a simple yet powerful database solution, consider tools like Airtable or Notion. These platforms offer a balance between user-friendliness and database capabilities. For more complex needs, traditional database software like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Microsoft SQL Server might be the way to go. Remember, the best tool for the job depends on your specific requirements. ClickUp is a fantastic tool, but it's important to understand its limitations when it comes to database functionality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.